In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Windows Update error 5 access denied in Windows 11. So first thing you're going to do is go to the search bar and type in registry editor. So click on registry editor, click yes. And over here, you want to go all the way up. So let me just refresh this. Okay, first we're going to go to HKY local machine. Then we're gonna go to system, so it should be system, and then you want to go down and go to current control set. So over here, this is the one, as you can see, current control set, and then you want to go and click on services. So here, as you can see, under current control set, you're gonna find services. Click on services, and then under services you want to go all the way down, find WU. So here, so you're gonna keep scrolling until you find this one. It says WUA user V. So once you find it, click on it, and here, so here you're gonna right click on this folder, go to permissions, and over here go to advanced, change, and then go to advanced and find now. Over here you're going to select your user, so find your user and select it. So for example, mine here, it's named how to tutorials. You're gonna find yours and click on it. Once you click on it, click OK, and then you're gonna click apply, and then before you click OK, click on this one as well, then click apply and OK. After this, you can just click apply here and OK, and here go to start and change this value and make it 3, and then click OK. And now you can just close this whole thing and go to services, and over here you want to scroll all the way down. You're gonna find Windows Update. So let's see if I can find. So here, once you find Windows Update, click on it, and over here you want to make sure you change this to manual. Make sure this is set on manual, and then click apply and OK. And hopefully this should fix your issue. And that's it for this video. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe.